Alright, we're going to graph the equation y equals cube root of x, which is the same as y equals x to the power of 1/3. So we want to pick some values that are really nice for this. So let's take a look at these values. We can take the cube root of a negative number. That's fine. So let's do that. Cube root of -8 gives me -2. And the cube root of -1, well, that's just going to be -1 again, because -1 cubed is -1. Cube root of 0 is 0. The cube root of 1 is 1. And the cube root of 8 is 2. So we get these funky dots here, and it's kind of hard to tell what's happening. So let's see what this is supposed to look like. We could keep adding more points, but let's see what Desmos says. So that's approximately what it looks like. And you'll probably recognize that that is the inverse of y equals x cubed. You see how those are the inverse? If I scroll way in, you can see they're kind of a reflection of each other. I'm going to get rid of that y equals x cubed. So this is what we're starting with, and we're going to transform that from there. So now we want to do the cube root of y equals -3 cube root x, and I'm going to just erase that for a second. Let's do the same thing as we did for our square roots when we were transforming them. We're multiplying all of our y values times -3. So -2 times -3, 6. -1 times -3, 3. 0 times -3, 0. 1 times -3, -3. And 2 times -3 is -6. All right, let's see what that looks like. Here's our green dots. They're kind of funky. And you can see they kind of have the same shape, but they're a little bit more stretched out. We'll take a look at what that's supposed to look like. And there we go. It's just more stretched out, and it's flipped the other way because it's a negative number. When we have a negative in front, that's going to give us a reflection in the x-axis. And then when we have the 3, it's going to stretch it out. So all we did was multiply our y values times -3.